Today I would be sharing the recipe of motichur ke laddu. See how beautiful and juicy they are, and we would be making it with the jaggery. So let's see how to do this. Namaskaram. Welcome to my channel Living Consciously. Today I would be sharing the recipe of motichur ke laddu. So now the festivals are coming, so we would be preparing the different types of sweet dishes. So this would be one of the my version of motichur ke laddu, in which we would be using jaggery, not the sugar, to make it healthier. So let's see what all we need for this. 1 cup of gram flour or chana dal flour or besan. Then 2 pinches of orange color. It's an optional, but it gives a nice color to the laddu, so I'm adding it. Then 4 cardamom, or elaichis. We would be crushing it to the powder. Then some muskmelon seeds and like half a tablespoon of that, and charoli. You can use any type of dry fruits like raisins or kajus instead of this if you don't have this. Then we would be for garnishing I would be using like badam or almonds and pistachios. So I have soaked it for half an hour so that we can easily remove the skin and chop it, and then we can use it for garnishing. And then 1 cup of jaggery, 2 pinches of saffron or kesar, then water for making the batter. So let's get started. So what we'll do is we'll take a ball and in this we'll add the gram flour, then the color, the orange color. This is optional. Now first we'll mix everything. Now using little bit of water at a time, we'll make a batter of this for bundis. We have to just make sure that there are no lumps to the batter. See how beautiful color has came. You can see the batter consistency. We need little more water, so I like little more. So this should be the consistency of our batter. So batter is ready. Now what we'll do is we'll take another pot for making the jaggery syrup. So in this we will add 1 cup of jaggery, and with the same cup we will measure 1 cup of water, and we will add to this. Now we will make the syrup of this. We will start the stove. So we have to make the jaggery syrup of 1 string. So now let it dissolve. In this we'll add the kesar, the 4 elaichis that we have took. We will make the powder of it. So like this I'll remove the seeds and then crush it to the powder. So you can see I have crushed the elaichi powder or cardamom powder. Now we will add this to the jaggery syrup. Wow. So in Indian dessert, cardamom is really very important. It gives really good smell to the whole recipe. So we have added the kesar, the elaichi powder. So now we have to cook it for like more 5-6 minutes. So let's see our syrup is ready or not. So be very careful, it would be hot. So take this. You can see there is 1 string forming. So it's done. 1 string. Yeah, it's done. So we'll close the stove. We'll take a oil in a kadai or a pan, and then we'll keep it on high heat. So now the oil is hot. I'm using this strainer. You can see it has a holes to it. So what we'll do is we'll take little bit of batter, we'll pour in this, and then we will put the bundis. So like this we have to do the process. So our bundis has been fried now. Now let's remove it. So I've kept one more strainer here, so to remove the extra oil. Now similarly we will prepare for the remaining batter. So in similar way you have to do that. So you can see I have fried the bundis for the remaining one as well. So how beautiful they are looking. We will just crush it with the hands little bit like this. We'll just little bit crush it. And I have kept our syrup again to heat, and in this syrup we will add our bundis to it. And we have to cook this for 1-2 minutes so that the whole juice has been soaked by the bundis. See how beautiful it's looking. Jaggery has been soaked properly. It's been little cooled down as well. Now we'll add the muskmelon seeds and charoli to this, and we will mix it properly. Beautiful it's looking. Because of the jaggery, the color is little brown. Usually what we have with halwais, it's a little yellowish or orange in color. So now we have to take a portion like this and then roll like this, and our laddu is ready. So you can choose the size you like. I'm making it small size. So you can see how easily we can make this. This tastes really very nice. So similarly I will make all of them. See, I have made all the laddus. Similarly what we'll do is now we'll remove the skin of the almonds and the pistachios, and I will chop it, and we will garnish it with it. Chop the pistachios and the almonds that we have soaked, and now we will garnish this. Wow, super tasty and healthy laddus are ready. If you want, you can put almonds and pistachios in the when we were making the laddus at that time also you can add that. Okay. So I have decorated all of them. I'll just open one laddu for you so to see how juicy it looks. See how beautiful and juicy it is. So do try this motichur ke laddu with a twist of a jaggery and let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Namaskaram.